This is my dog Prince, who has not been able to get his toy out from under the couch for just a few seconds. And it's now into a rampage of running to release the stress and anxiety of not being able to get his toy, I suppose. Oh, you make me laugh, Prince. Yes, you do, Punkaroon. I don't know which of his 40,000 toys that he has that could possibly be stuck under there. But when he gets stressed, he runs. He obviously didn't get that from me, or he'd been there eating that string cheese right now. That's his newest favorite toy, too, is a Bugs Bunny rabbit that's bigger than he is. But you show Bugs Bunny what's up, don't you? Huh? What do you think, Prince? Huh? What do you think? Are you a pretty good boy? Huh? Are you the best Sweeney dog I've got? Oh! Okay, let's get your toy from underneath the couch before you tear